Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account. First, go ahead and visit account.microsoft.com. Next, just click Sign In to go to the login page. Since we don't have a Microsoft account yet, we're going to click on the Create One link right here. In this next step, enter your current email address. Usually, this will be a Gmail account. After you enter your email, Microsoft will send a verification code to that address. So go check your inbox, copy the verification code, then head back to the Microsoft page and paste it right here. Next up, choose your country, enter your date of birth, and click Next. Then type in your first and last name and hit Next again. At this point, you'll need to complete a quick test so Microsoft knows you're not a robot. The challenges here can vary, so just follow the instructions on your screen. Once you pass the human verification, you've pretty much created your Microsoft account. Just click OK. You'll then see a prompt to create a passkey. This helps you sign into your Microsoft account faster on your current browser. If you don't want to create a passkey, you can just skip this step. Finally, you'll be redirected to your Microsoft account dashboard. And just like that, you've successfully created your account. With this Microsoft account, you can now purchase Microsoft products and services like Microsoft Office subscriptions or Microsoft OneDrive. Here, you can also update your personal info and manage any subscriptions you sign up for.